Yes, here we start our video.
Tour.
Yes, our little tour here in reading room in the library. And down here on the floor, yes, there's a dragon. Yes, a kingdom, some kind of kingdom.
A fairy tale carpet.
Yes, and my name is Alexander, and
My name is Ebbe.
yes, and we are going to tell you a little bit about our school.
Yeah.
We start by walking out here into the library.
Here we have
Here,
the
yes.
easy books, the
Some
small kids
easy books.
they read.
Yes.
Like there's only a few words on every side. Just like here.
Yes, that's not many words.
Yeah. And here we got. This is one of the easiest books we got.
Oh yes, the elf. The alpha books.
There's only.
I'm a thief. Yes, they are very, very, very funny.
Yes.
Kind of. Yes. And over here, yeah,
We got a carpet with a world card.
a world map
Yeah.
and some kind of smartboard thing.
Protector.
Yes.
Projector.
Yes, and of course a lot of books for any kind. And the borrowing central kind of, yes.
Yeah.
Some computers. Computer,
And here are the books that reservated.
yes.
Reserved.
Reserved,
Yeah.
yes,
Where they can go ahead and pick them up and yeah.
yes. Read them. And over here I got a printing machine. Okay, it works. Yes. Very nice. Computer. And a map of Denmark. and a world map.
Deutschland and
Kind of
Sweden.
German and Sweden. And the world map over here. Yes.
Where the head cities are marked.
Yes.
Around here.
Yes. And yes, yeah. And a book on the thing. Let's go to the preschool. Hello. And
Here we have a hallway.
a hallway.
Paintings we paint in when we were
In preschool or first class. Preschool.
Yeah, preschool. And unfortunately, I was sick that day.
Nice.
So one of them I haven't painted.
There's also a
Yeah.
painting up there and some kind of art.
It has hung there in over 10 years.
Yes. And
here we got the preschool.
yes, the preschools. Let's go in here and walk down the. Sorry, the preschools are in here. A reading room over here. There, yes. Printing machine. Math room. The first grade room. Yes, they are very nice. And some kind of
Sitting place.
places. Yes.
Where they have meetings and more.
Yes. And up here, here, there is a kind of scene, so we can sit here and hear the teachers say something. It's very nice.
And it has been there since we were.
Yes,
in
since
the
we
first.
were in first.
And we got the
Playground over here, out here. There's playground. Very nice.
where we got thing. It's the new thing around here.
Yes.
In the small kids playground.
Yes, it's very nice. And over here,
Bare med der skrev vi, vi kan så åbne.
Jo, det var så.
And our mayor of Herning was to open it.
Of Herning.
Herning. I'm from
And
Herning.
some more playgrounds and the school and the first class. Yes, students.
And here we got some swings.
Yes, they're very nice. And Ebbe is
Already.
totally failing. Yes. And I'm walking in some sand, and it's very difficult to walk in. I think.
And here is bicycle course.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a bicycle test in 3rd grade,
Yes.
and then we're gonna follow it. We start down here, and then we go some, and then we just ride a bike here. And when we come to this line, we're gonna put our hands up to say we're gonna stop, and we're gonna stop here. And when our teachers say you can go, then you're gonna go and drive further. And when you come to a swing, you're gonna put your hands out to make a signal. I'm turning right here. And then you're gonna go here.
And all this we are doing on a bicycle.
And then there is some cones we're gonna
Slope around.
and then when we come down this part, we're gonna make a signal. We're gonna turn again. And when we come here, our teacher has a car. Maybe it's a car, a truck, or a motorbike, and then we're gonna say what it is, but still go in the lane, but we're gonna stop at the same time. And when the teacher say go again, we're gonna go. And here we're gonna make a little stop and look to the left and look to the right to see if there comes anyone. And then we're gonna turn again and go. And then we're gonna go here, stop again, look and go. We're gonna stop right here, and so then we're gonna go again. And when we are here, we're done with the course.
Yes, and all this we do on a bicycle, and we
the wall of pain.
the wall of pain, and it's a storming, and here we also have a football lane thing,
And when
the
you
wall of pain.
race, the small kids take a football and kick it to the wall. And if you miss the wall or get higher than that line over there, you're gonna stand in
Like-
the wall like that, and you're gonna get a ball kicked in your ass.
Yes.
Right now.
Okay, now we are walking inside because it's very cold. Fuck. Close the door.
And here we got the 3rd grade and the 2nd grades.
Yes. Yes. Coming in here.
And the music locale.
The music.
Blackboard you can draw onto the grades.
Yes. It's not black, but green.
Blackboard.
And the teacher down there, it is Björn.
Or beer.
He's Bear. He's called. Yes. Oh, it's that iPad. Yes, some students, classrooms.
We don't go down there.
Then we down there are 6th grade and some 2nd grades, but we don't walk down there because
You don't want to disturb them.
yes, they are working very hard.
And here we got a kind of
Art?
where we have a
No, a
ball
game?
and we're gonna throw it inside the hole, and every hole has just different points. Like this one is 100 points, 10 points, 5 points, and so on.
So it's fun.
And here we got the same thing.
Yes.
With a goalkeeper instead.
Yes. And over here, this is very nice. I think this is a chess course with
We got the
bricks,
right here. And there's the rules of chess if you don't know them.
and it's called Dam. It's
It's
a game.
King Me, if you know what it's
Yes. And then that one doesn't play that very cool. That is not supposed to be gray, as
And here
far as I think.
there used to be some fishes.
Yes, but now they are white.
Yeah.
The library is down there, so we walk this way.
And this is teachers. And where they go out in the summer and have a kind of break.
And some of them smoke.
Yeah.
But they don't.
And here we got
They are not allowed to.
pictures. That's me actually right there.
It's Ebbe.
That's me.
It's Ebbe.
Marcus. Yes, and Anker.
Where is I?
Where
Where am I? I am.
It's ours.
No, we can't find me.
Yes.
And over here,
Stop smoking pot.
and yes, picture. Some more pictures. And one more picture. Oh man. Uha. Down here we have my little sister. She is there. She is kind of angry.
Jeg kan bare huske, det var det her år, hvor alle de stod sådan.
And there I am. I'm there. Right there.
Ja.
Yes, there.
Det var faktisk det her år, hvor jeg havde givet på, mens vi tog det her billede.
And Ebbe, where is he? Ebbe is...
That's Nana, that's Marcus, that's Rasmus, that's
Where is
Anne-Sophie,
Ebbe?
your girlfriend.
Oh, she's not my girlfriend.
Yes.
Yes, no, Ebbe isn't there.
I am there, I'm sure. That's you, I found you.
Yeah.
That's Asger, that's Nana.
Some more pictures and a kind of game. Pictures.
Oscar is, if you look really closely, it's actually the same painting.
This guy here, down there.
Yeah, and
This
if
guy.
you look at this corner and go over here, it's actually the same thing.
Oh shit.
And
It's Illuminati.
Illuminati confirmed.
No, kind of.
And here we got. Oh, where are you? It's all this picture. You
I am.
X-West. I'm there. I'm right there. And
We are going.
yes, that's the old picture.
Pictures. The oldest picture. Plants. Yes.
Here you got some random cows.
Yeah, some random cows. Some kids
I don't
use
know.
the whole week to use a lot of random cows.
I don't know why they didn't make an Illuminati cow. I'm disappointed.
Yeah, a rainbow cow.
YouTube cow.
And golden gamers cow. And a Swedish cow. And a circus. But it's just a meeting room.
And here we got some balls. That's what she said.
Some balls, yes. And more cows.
Physics and this.
Oh yeah, the physics. The physics room class, yes.
And there we got the special classes.
Yes, special classes.
That's the kids that have problems and like me.
But Eve is not in special class because his problem is not as big as those.
My problem is just him.
And
Marcus,
yeah. And here we have Marcus.
in his rainbow
Say
shirt.
hello, Marcus.
Det kan godt slette det der.
Yes, yes.
Det kan du godt slette.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Some milk stuff. And the sun. And now we are walking down to the physics. The physics class. Physics class and the periodic table.
Einsteinium.
Einsteinium is right there.
It's awesome.
And he loves to fucking...
Marcus, for fuck's sake.
For fuck's sake.
Yeah.
Here we used to keep a snake down here, but it's dead.
Yeah, and this is a microorganism, something.
Biologic project.
Yes,
It's been there for over
10 years,
Yeah,
9 years, almost 9
And
years.
there's birds.
Yeah, a lot of birds.
And a crappy school shop where
Yes, school shop where we can buy stuff we don't want to buy, but
And here we got the solar system.
yes. And now the milk thing is a little bit noisy.
And then we're gonna go down
to our class.
the crate, the faggang der.
No, the yes, the faggang.
And here we have a sample. Every year before we get us a break, then we're gonna make a run acting where we're gonna collect some money and send them to Kenya in December.
Yes, it's kind of nice. It's good to all the poor peoples. Poor peoples are so boring.
We have raised enough money so they could build a hospital and a school.
Yes, school.
And we have enough to...
The cows are here.
We have also raised enough so we could give them Christmas gifts.
Yes, that was very nice.
That was what
here we got
economic class.
Yes, the food thing.
And
here it's very long.
Yeah.
The toilets.
And there we got where we learn to make something with
make clothes. Yes, I can say that
and
word.
And there we got an art class.
Yes, and some students, and also in here we making art. Yes.
And there we got another art class.
Yes. And some students from our class.
And a dwarf.
And a dwarf.
Or hobbit. Or whatever you want to call him.
Or a hobbit.
Yeah.
Yes. And Jeppe.
Hi Jeppe.
And here we got Jeppe.
Jeppe, he's awesome.
And Henrik.
Ja, det ser meget flot ud, det der.
Heinrich.
Henrik and Peter.
Du må hellere lægge den over, fordi jeg ved faktisk ikke, om der er nogen, der bruger det, så bare har gemt.
And our playground, they are playing football. Yes.
Hvilken video laver I her?
English. Here, down here. Vi skal ned. Yes.
And now we're heading
to our classrooms.
Our section.
Our section. Oh, it's very cold out here. And here we have a classroom.
And here we got our classroom.
Yes.
With our teacher.
Yes. Over here, Jette is. Say hello, Jette.
Hello.
Yes.
And there we got Anne Sophie.
Yes.
He's a tower.
Say hello.
Hi.
She's a tower on legs.
And William. Yes. Hello. Hello. He don't want to. Okay. The lockers. Lockers. Yes.
And a scene where we can
kind of scene.
Something for all the people.
Yes. And a watch up there.
Or French class.
Yes.
And
yes.
a retarded toilet.
Toilets.
For retarders.
Yes. And a printing machine. Yeah.
One more.
One more. There's very many printing machines in our school. Yes, down there. We are going down to Tue. Lord Gingerino.
And here we got some club we got
football. Yes.
When
and
after school in the evening.
Play pool. The young people club, kind of.
After school.
After school. Yeah.
It's Lord Gingerino.
And the Lord Gingerino isn't there. Oh my God.
But
he isn't there. But his office is in here.
Yeah.
Yes, and now we are going out to the over here, the corridor.
Yeah. And there are some people that's locked in.
Some people locked in down in the gymnastics room.
PT.
And some art on the wall. They are kind of mad. They want to get out, and we are just walking away. Yes.
We had one of them. We're not kind of nice. I think
no.
Yes.
And the plants.
And in there we got the kindergarten.
Yes, kindergarten, daycare,
Yeah.
something. Yes.
To the side, to the side.
Oh, listen.
And now
We are now walking outside because they are attacking us, kind of.
they are more.
Let's go outside, Ebbe.
Yes, let's run.
We are going
Let's go
outside.
down to the PT areas and show them that.
Yes.
Here we got a basketball course.
Basketball course, yes.
And
Now
over
open.
there we have some industrial that make things for pigs. Cages for pigs. Nicolas Cage.
Nicolas Cage. Yeah, kind of funny. Oh,
I love corny jokes.
yeah. Okay, I don't think they are attacking us anymore. It's good. Where are we going now, Ebbe?
To the PT area.
Yes.
And ball. There we have a classroom from the outside.
Yes, a classroom there.
And all this kind of white paper there is all we make A newspaper.
Newspaper, yes.
it's
ours.
it's a school project.
Yes.
Is that Silja?
Yes, it's Silja. Cool. And we are now running up to Silja to say hello to Silja. Hello. Yes, there was Silja and Laura.
Open the door.
Okay, Ebbe, come. A door. Let's.
This one out there. To our bikes.
Yes. Our bikes is down here.
There's another special class.
Yes.
They're kind of they are really friendly.
Here.
And here we got all the bikes.
All the bikes. It's kind of chaos.
It's okay.
It is a chaos.
Yeah. And here we got PT, physical activity.
Gymnastics. Some students.
Are we gonna enter the tour in our classroom?
Yes, I think that's a good idea. Yes, we're going this way. It's to end our tour. No, in our classroom. Yes, and
That's one of my friend's bikes.
thank you
That's
for.
Mads' bike.
Oh, it's Mads Jacobsen.
No.
Mads Jacobsen.
Matt Dick.
We are now going into our class to finish our video
And say goodbye.
and say goodbye. Yes. So we walking down the streets. No, I go.
Nope.
It's not the streets. But anyway. Oh, it's hot in here. And it's cold outside.
And
Now
that's
we are-
and Laura.
Now we're going down to our classroom.
To finish the video and say goodbye.
Yes.
Hello.
Doing it in selfie mode.
Hello.
So now we are going to have math. Funny.
Yep. Hello, Christina.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.